Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today's date is the 6th of December 2025. I'm doing for the tea time. We're doing for the predictions, and I just hope today we are right? So yesterday we had this, especially on lunchtime when I was doing for the tea time. I said I'm going to flip this 26 into 29. Why do I do that? Because I'm avoiding numbers like 30, 31, and 32 from coming. And guess what? These numbers actually came. This one decided to be a 3, and the 31, 32 decided to come exactly like that. And I remember I said we can avoid 4 or 40 because of 46 plus 47, which gives you 39. And guess what? 40 decided to come. So I always do the opposite. If you can check, I always do the opposite. So for the lunchtime today, how did they get those numbers? We always have to check how did they get those numbers. So I actually had 1921. I flipped this 12 into 21 with a 19. Why did I bring those numbers? Because I didn't want 20, and guess what? 20 was the one that came, and I paired 20, I mean 19 with the 21 with the 38. How did I get a 38? I got a 38 because I was avoiding 40 from coming, and guess what? 40 was the one that actually came. They always do the opposite. So for the tea time, I just hope I won't do the opposite. So for the tea time, according to the result, we should expect something like 16 and 19 with 36, maybe 6 or 9. Yeah, something like that. We should expect those numbers according to this result. But I don't actually think we are going to expect none of them. I'm pretty sure I don't think we're going to expect none of them. So if you can check there, guys, we already have two numbers. But will those two numbers actually come or what? Will those two numbers actually come or what? If you can check there, we already have a 23 and a 24. Sorry, if you can say 23 plus 24 is going to give you 47, right? But I don't know. I don't think 47 is going to come. Let me think. What about 48, 49? I'm not sure. I'm still thinking. But we have 23, 24, guys. We have 23, 24. So what do you think, guys? Are we going to expect 23 or 24, or maybe I'm wrong? We have two numbers there. 23, 24. I always do the opposite. If I say 23, 24 is not coming, it might actually come. But I don't want to say it's not coming, but we have 23, 24 there. But let's try to solve this. So we have remember, we have 16 and 19 and 36. Those numbers that I said we might be expecting them according to this result. We have to expect those numbers. I'm thinking instead of 16, I don't think 16 is going to come because of this gap. This gap might be not allowing 16 to come. 16 won't affect 13. 13, 31 came yesterday. It will affect 15. That means 15 can actually come. Let me say 15. If 15 was going to come, 15 was going to come with 18. It was going to come with 18 to avoid 16, 19. But again, I'm not entirely sure of this 15. I think 18 is the one that stands a chance rather than 15. I think 18 stand a chance. So I'm thinking 18 is the one that is going to come. Remember, we are avoiding 16, 19, 36 from coming. I don't think these numbers are going to come, but we are going to expect maybe relative of those numbers. And at some point 13 was supposed to be repeating, but it already came yesterday, guys. This 13 already came, which is this one. According to this, it was supposed to be coming, but I won't repeat it just for safety. So we can start. You can say 41, 14 to flip it into 41. You're going to expect 42 because we already have 40 there. But if 42 comes, 42 is going to affect this. That means 42 might come with either 44 or 45. And I don't think we need those numbers right now. I don't think we should actually try to flip a 34. We should just leave 34. I don't think that 34 is going to flip. So in order to avoid this 34 from flipping into 43, maybe we are going to say um we are going to flip the 42 into 24. That means this is what it was supposed to give us 42, but we are going to flip that 42 into 24 to avoid this 34 to come as 43. If we're going to say 24, it's going to come. If we're going to say 24 is going to come, 24, it's going to affect the 25. It's going to affect 25, but we already have 26 there. I think we might be safe because we have 29. The 29 is the same as 26, right? If we're saying 25 is coming, that means it's also going to affect the 23. But remember, we have a 23 there. That means you can say 23 is going to come. 23 might affect let me see, maybe it might affect 31. 31 already came yesterday, so that's my biggest fear there, guys. That means we actually have 18, 23, 24, but it's actually a risky move because according to this, maybe 13 was supposed to come, but I'm not going to say 13 is going to come. If you are having 18, 24, 23, maybe with that 15, but not 15 is just not very guaranteed. Remember, we are avoiding 15, 16, 19 to come. We don't want 16, 19, 36 to come. Let me repeat, you don't want 16, 19, 36 to come. You can just say, you know what, let's go back to the result where we had 23, 24. Can just scroll down. Here it is, 23, 24, 18. It actually came with 31. This 31 is just going to kill me, guys. What do you think? Oh, guys, it's actually a scare. That means we have to focus on these numbers on the 2nd of December 2025. That means either two or three numbers is going to come from there, but I don't know which one. So I'm just giving you a task to look for those numbers. You can just look for those numbers yourself. I'm thinking 18 is going to come. Remember, already 24, it's already proved, but this 23 has to come with either 13 or 31. Let me just go back and check something. Let me just go back. Let me see if a 31 is going to come. If 31 decide to come, guys, I really don't know. I really don't know. I was so confident of that 23. That means you can just look for the numbers here. Those numbers are actually the numbers that are going to come. 2 or 3 numbers going to come from there, but I don't know which one. So I'm just giving you a clue on how you can look for the tea time result. 23, 24 with the 18. Remember, we avoided 16 and 19 with the 36 from coming. We don't want those 3 numbers to come. We don't want those 3 numbers to come. You can just play these numbers from here.